Deo, welcome to this challenge. Okay, so this challenge is for parents to teach your children Igbo. I know you've been longing to teach them, but you don't know how, you're not sure which way to approach it or how to do it. Okay, so this is sort of a step-by-step guide to help you. Okay, I'm also using this along with you because I got 3 children of my own from ages 1 to 8 years old. Okay, so however, this guide is for children 2 years to 12 years, okay? 2 to 12 years, just because below 2, they're not sort of talking properly. So the best way for those ones below 2 years of age would just be to speak to them naturally in Igbo. Okay, for you, if you know how to speak Igbo, just speak to them in Igbo. Or if you're a parent, learning Igbo yourself, the one you've learned, just speak it like that to the kids, okay? For the 2 to 12 years old, that also applies. But however, along with speaking it to them naturally in the house, this is a guide to remind you daily. Actually, it's just for 5 days a week. Okay, so at least 5 days a week, you're teaching them new words and new sentences along with the ones you're speaking daily. Okay, so it's sort of, like when they come back from school, they have homework to do. Even though they've been to school the whole day, they come back with a book to read before the next day. Okay, just reinforcing what they've learned. So this is something like that. You're speaking Igbo to them regularly, normally, but then you put a little bit of formal learning into it. You just need 15 minutes a day, and that's it for 5 days. 15 minutes, 10 minutes might even be enough, but if you block out 15 minutes so that there's no surprises, okay? And we were taking it bite-sized, okay, because we don't want to overwhelm them, okay? So, no, and let's go. And what I would say also is try and reward them, okay? Do not be harsh. Do not be criticizing. Give them time. Make it as natural as possible and as helpful as you can be. So help them to learn. If there's something you've been promising to give them, okay, so you can say, yeah, once you learn this, you get that. And make sure you keep your promise, whatever you've promised, okay? So long as it's not sweeties or things that's got lots of sugar in them, okay? I don't advise that. Right, okay? So try and give them positive reinforcement. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for, positive reinforcement. Okay, one can you video? Let's start. Okay, so day 1, we are going to learn 2 new sentences. Okay, so if they don't know any, just choose any 2 sentences. If you think they know some already, then find 2 new sentences to teach them on day 1 of this challenge. Okay, an example would be Ke ebe akpagidi. That's sentence 1. Okay, Kembo, you can talk to the child and say, Ke ebe akpagidi. Okay, and he or she will answer, Akpam di ebe. Akpam di ebe. Okay, and for you, if you're learning Igbo as well with your kids, Ke ebe akpagidi means, where is your bag? Okay, and then the child will answer, Akpam di ebe. My bag is here. Akpam di ebe. Ideally pointing to the bag, okay? Akpam di ebe. Okay, so this is just an example if you don't know how to speak Igbo. We've done 2 sentences now, and that's enough for day 1. And as you can see, just taking a few minutes, and the child will of course repeat after you. Okay, if you already know how to speak Igbo and your child knows this particular sentence I've used, it is just an example. Find 2 new sentences to teach your child then, okay? All right, but if you don't have any sentences planned, you can use these examples. Oh, Cody, see you on day 2.